Hey guys, Chung here. In this video, we are going to teach you how to get started with the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. This is a video mostly for startup or first-time users of gimbals. First, we're going to show you how to mount your phone onto the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. First, unlock the head by moving it counterclockwise. Then mount your phone onto the clamp. Make sure that your camera is on the left side of the gimbal. Now to balance this gimbal, move your phone in these 4 directions until it's horizontally flat on the gimbal. To turn on the Zhiyun Smooth Q2, we hold down the power button until we see a white blinking light. It will take a few seconds until the gimbal starts to move and wake up. The next step we only have to do once. Turn on the Bluetooth and search on the Bluetooth list for Smooth Q2. Once connected, we can now turn on the standard camera app and press the red button on the gimbal itself to start and stop recording videos or to take photos. The best way to hold the gimbal is in an angle which lessens the up and down movement when you are walking and filming. To change mode on the Smooth Q2, we press on the joystick and it will toggle to the right to the next mode. To toggle back to the previous mode, we double press on the joystick. The PF mode stands for pen follow, which is ideal for pen movements without tilting. L stands for lock mode, which is the mode I often use to replicate a slider-like shot. Another shot I like to use in this mode is a jib-like shot, moving the gimbal up or down. F stands for full follow, which follows the pan and tilt movements of the gimbal. POV will follow every movement, however often we'll use for a rotational shot. The last mode is the Vortex Mode. We move the joystick to start rotating your phone. This mode is also often called the 360 roll or the Inception mode. Because it's in the flashlight mode, we use the grip to aim at where we want to film. There's also a selfie mode. Press the power button 3 times, it will rotate your phone around so you can use the better camera on the rear. To get out of the selfie mode, press the power button 3 times again. For the portrait mode, hold the gimbal horizontally and manually rotate it to the portrait mode. To get out of this mode, just hold the grip straight up. When you want to put away the gimbal, turn off the gimbal by holding the power button for a few seconds. Once it stops blinking, we can remove our phone from the clamp. Once removed, we can rotate the head clockwise to lock it down and squeeze the clamp to make it smaller. It should now be small enough to put away into your pocket. So that was how to use the Zhiyun Smooth Q2. If you have any questions, please comment below, and if you are new to this channel and want to see more upcoming tutorials, please hit that subscribe button here below, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye!